Hello students, welcome to Power Tutorials. So today we are going to discuss chapter 13 statistics, and today's topic is the last one, that is median. So the median formula is only one formula. So the median is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h, where L is the lower limit of the median class, n is the number of observations, Cf is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding to median class. For suppose we have 10, then the median class is fifth one, then the fourth cumulative frequency you have to consider here. Whereas f is the frequency of the median class and h is the class size, that is upper value minus lower value of the particular class. So let's see this formula with examples of two. So let's see the first one, which is exercise 13.3. In the first question, here they have mentioned n value as 68. They are asking to find. So in this question we can see that they have mentioned n value is 68 and they are asking the median for this table. So they have mentioned the consumption values, that is 65 to 88 and so on, and the number of consumers for each frequency. And to calculate median, first we need to calculate the cumulative frequency. The cumulative frequency is nothing but the addition of the values from here to the next part. So in this example you can see that the first one will be a direct value 4, the next it is 5. So this cumulative frequency is cumulative in sense addition of all frequency till here. So for this class it is addition till here. If it is for this class it is addition till here. So it's a cumulation of, that is summation of other values. So here it is 4 and till here it is 9. Till here you can directly add with this one. So 13 plus 9 will be 22, 20 plus 22 will become 42, 14 plus 42 will become 56, 8 plus 56 will become 64, and 4 plus 64 will become 68. So the final n value should be matching with the value they have given. So if any calculation mistake is there, just need to confirm with this value to this value. If both are same, then our table is correct. Okay, so let's go with the formula values. That is n value is 68, so n by 2 will become 64. So sorry, n by 2 will become 34. So this n by 2 will, you have to find for which model class it is belonging to. So this will be done using the cumulative frequency. So 34, so where is 34 here? So it doesn't have exact 34, but here it is. If you consider this class, it is only having till 22 values, whereas this class is having till 42. So this class will be having the 34 value as well. So this will is belonging to this one. So this is our model class. So just repeating this point again. So to find what is a model class, first you need to find the n by 2 value. Then for n by 2 value, where it is belonging to which cumulative frequency, you need to figure it out. So here it is till 22 only this model class is having, whereas this model class is having till 42. So this is our model class. So let's apply with the exact values. Now class we got, it is 125 to 145. The h value is the subtraction of these two, that is highest minus lowest. 145 minus 125 equal to 20. L is 125. Cf, as I mentioned, it is the cumulative frequency of the class which is preceding our model class. Our model class is this one. So the cumulative frequency of the class preceding this one is this one. So it is 22. Whereas f value is the frequency of the model class, which is 20. So we got all the other values as well. We got L, Cf, all the values. So median formula, which is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by 2 by f into h. So L value is 125, n by 2 34 minus Cf preceding class, that is 22, by here the frequency of this model class. This is this one. Frequency equal to 20 into h. H value we already found out, which is 125 minus 125, which is 20. So 125 plus Cf n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. In 2020 got cancelled. 34 minus 22 is 12. So just addition we got 137 as a value. So in this way, if any table they have provided with consumption, that is in frequency value, the class values and f values, then we need to find the cumulative frequency. For suppose they have provided you class and frequency and they don't provide class and frequency, then we need to find the frequency using the cumulative frequency. How? So cumulative frequency first value will be same. To find this value, we need to subtract these two. So 9 minus 4 will become this value, whereas this value will become 22 minus 9 will get this value. So in this way, for suppose if they have provided you class and cumulative frequency, you can also figure out frequency table column. If they provide these two, you can find out the cumulative frequency column. Okay. So let's see with another example, which is like this one, that is third question. So for medians, we can also get this type of question where they don't provide you the exact class, but they will simply say that below 20, below 25, or above 20, above 25, and so on. So based on this condition, first we need to find the class values. From them also we need to find the frequency values. So in this question they provided me class values as well as CF values. Why I am saying CF? Because they provided you the n value is 100 and you can also see the last value is 100. So by seeing this itself you can understand that this is CF values, not the frequency values. Okay. So after now you need to find the class value. So for class the first value is direct value, that is the below 20 you can directly write it below 20, where the second value you can see it is 20 to 25 is the difference, below 20 below 25. So we can write the class value as 20 to 25 and so on till 60, 20 to 25, 25 to 30 and so on till 60. So we got all the class values. So using the CF, how am I finding the frequency values? Let's see here. So the first value as I mentioned, a direct value, so 2 is 2, whereas for 20 to 25, here it is mentioned below 25 all the values are 6, but below 20 we already separated, so 20 to 25 will become the between value, that is 4. The same way for 25 to 30, here you can see below 30 total value is 24, but we want only for 25 to 30, so it should be directly the subtraction of 24 minus this values, so it will be 18. So 24 minus this value, it will be 18 because it is still 25. So below 30 minus below all the 25 values, that is 6 values, will get the 18 value. And from here if you have confusion, you can directly use these two tables to get the next values. So 45 minus 24, so this will become 21. So this is below 40 and this is below 35. So below 40 minus all the below 35 values, that is 45. So 78 minus 45, we got 33. 89 minus 78, we got 11. 92 minus 89, 3. 98 minus 92, 6. And the last one, 100 minus 98, which is 2. After calculating this, just make sure to add all these values, and if it is coming 100, then your calculation is correct, or somewhere there is a mistake. Okay, so I will just repeat again how to find the frequency values using our cumulative values. So here the first value we had directly write it, whereas this next value will be the subtraction of this value and this value. So 6 minus 2 is 4, 24 minus 6 will become 18, 45 minus 24 will become 21, 78 minus 45 will become 33, 89 minus 78 will become 11, 92 minus 89 3, 98 minus 92 6, and 100 minus 98 will become 2. As I mentioned, the sum of all these frequencies should be matching with n, which is 100 in this case. So now apply the formula and calculate the values. So n by 2 is nothing but 100 by 2, that is 50. So model class, so this cumulative frequency where it is present 50 cumulative frequency is this one, so 50 will be coming here. So our model class is 35 to 40. As why 50 is here, because still here it only 45 is present, but our value is 50, so it should come the next class, that is 35 to 40. So the model class is 35 to 40. H value is 35 minus 40 minus 35, that is 5. L value is the lowest value, that is 35. CF is the cumulative frequency of preceding class, so CF is this one, 45. F value is the frequency of the model class, which is 33. So just substitute all the values, that is 35 plus n by 2 is 50 minus CF is 45 by F value is 33 into 5, H value is 5. So 35 plus 5 into 5, that is 25 by 33. So 35 plus, if you calculate this value, it will be coming 0.757. So the final value is 35.757, or simply you can say that 35.76 is the median of this class. Okay, so in this way all the median values can be calculated. So the last one more topic is present, that is the relation between mean, median and mode. So what is the relation? We have only one direct equation, that is mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So if we have median and mean, or we can, if you have any two values, you can find the other value using this formula. So this equation is very important. This will be coming mainly for your 2 marks or 3 marks type of questions. Like they will provide these two, they will ask you to find the other value, or they will provide mode and median and they might ask you the mean. So if any two values are provided and if you ask for other value, then simply you need to use this equation and get the result. Okay, so in this way I conclude the chapter 13, that is mean, median and mode. Whereas in the previous video I have explained the step deviation method of mean, but you can ignore it because if for this pattern exam that method is not present. There is only two methods now, which are direct method and assumed mean method. So if they ask you for smaller values, you can use the direct method. If they ask for larger values, go for assumed mean method, so that you can check in my previous video. And as I mentioned, I have already started MCQ questions, so that you can also be benefit for your exam. So if you want practice of MCQ questions, you can check my community page. So there I'm pasting MCQ question as well as the solution within 5 to 6 hours, as well as I'm providing the video in my shorts. So who are interested in MCQ practice, I can go through it. And if you have any questions regarding this chapter, or if you have any questions regarding the shorts also, you can comment me so that I can check and prepare a video if it is required. So if you like the video, please do like, do subscribe for more videos, and do share to your friends who are also studying CBSE 10th class. Thank you so much.